What's going on, guys? Keys on 6577 here with the first video of doing the walk around of every truck. First one is going to be engine 301. It is a 1989 FMC Spartan fire engine, and it is first out on damn near everything. Up in the front, we keep traffic vests, traffic wands, gas meters, EMS equipment, flashlights, thermal imaging cameras, radios, and whatnot. Up in the front. In the back, we have our Scott air packs. There's also one up front. We keep our Hurst tool. It is battery operated. We also keep some water back here for the guys. We have 2 flashlights, and we have 2 traffic wands in there. Here we keep our fan, or one of the fans on this truck. We have our hoses. Yes, I need that. I know that needs to be repacked. That's our that's our trash line. This truck holds 750 gallons. It's a Hell pump. Holds 750 gallons at 1250 per. It's a 1250 GPM pump. Here, I know, pardon the mess, is our other fan. There and there we keep extra cylinders. I'm not gonna open them because they're a bitch to close. In here we just have miscellaneous stuff. We have a toolbox, another toolbox. We have other stuff. Got a flare in here. I don't know why that's there. Chimney bombs over there. And here we keep our chainsaw equipment, gasoline, lubricant, and all that. Funnels, anything we need for tree down. For trees down, we usually take this truck or the rescue or in the brush, whatever we need to take. And here's cribbing. All of our cribbing. We have a couple water. We have a water can. Got a couple extinguishers in there. But that's all of our cribbing. On this truck, on each side here, we have our axles, we have our ladders, pike poles. We got a 5-foot and I want to say 8-foot. It's not labeled. Hose bed in here. We have shovels, brooms, stuff to clean up back here. We have more 5-inch, but it is rolled. The back door doesn't want to open. Porsche doesn't want to open. I couldn't get it open. We're just going to keep it closed. But we have trash bags. Our hydrant bag is back here. We got more. We got some oil dry, oil mat. We got our electric reel. One of them. Spinner wrench, hydrant wrench. Another axe in here. We have our hydraulic Hurst tools over here. We barely take these out unless it's for training. We always use that battery operated one up there. Gas cap, another extra cylinder in here. Gas plugs, tarps, flares, another Cobalt toolbox. Here, pardon mess, set of irons, caution tape, rope, an extinguisher, just basically the essentials. High-rise pack in the back. And here's a driver's compartment. We got more hose and whatnot. that's basically it for 301. Nope. Up here, we keep our traffic cones, we have our deck gun, a portable scene lighting, and that's our electrical reel that we use the most. Well, that's gonna do it for 301, guys. Thanks for watching. Next up, Rescue 30. God bless y'all.